Okay guys, I'm going to show you my new airbrush, which is not actually completely new. I did get it for Christmas, but it wasn't this Christmas. It was possibly Christmas 2 years ago, maybe even 3. But I wanted it, I remember I wanted it. What it is, it's a pistol type airbrush, Master Airbrush, model G79. And many of you may know I've never used airbrush. I played with this one a little bit here and sort of got it to work, but I'm certainly not experienced, and I certainly don't know what I'm doing. So all I'm doing is really showing this and what comes in the set, and it looks pretty good. You got these cups here, which are, you can close them, and then you got this open cup, and down there under the foam you've got some instructions that I'm hoping are gonna tell me a few things. Looking up close here, let me get close to these things. There's a little wrench in there, something in there that says, oh okay, the 0.3 millimeter nozzle and 0.8 millimeter nozzle. I probably should have taken those out. This is for the hose, and I don't know what that is. Also don't know what these are, but I have them. One of them says 0.8, one says 0.3. And I'm not going to guess on camera what you do with them, because if I'm wrong, oh boy if I'm wrong. Anyway, it seems to make more sense to me to have it as a pistol type. Just in using this one a little bit, it felt really unnatural the way you're supposed to hold these things, and so wanted to try this one, and I will, because I just got the if you remember the project I'm working on, I've got to make the glass a kind of a clear orange, and everybody recommended this little bottle, so I got this little bottle, and that's what we're going to be spraying. I got the big tub of Tamiya thinner, and I have some instructions. Somebody's helping me with some basic ideas of how to airbrush, and I'm hoping that works. Also, all these came same time, 2 or 3 years ago, all in this box, and it is the Createx Wicked colors. And it's the whole basic set. When you look at the colors, it's basically just the color that it looks like with the word Wicked in front of it. So as you can imagine, this is Wicked White, this is Wicked Blue, Wicked... One of them was different, this one. There's a blue over here, but this is Laguna Blue. And then there's a pretty exciting one, right? I think this is the one. Violet. Tell you what, that's going to be something that looks really good. And then the, I'm guessing this is the thinner reducer. Does that mean thinner? Anyway, I've got a lot to learn, so I am basically just showing this, and I've got a book called How to Airbrush. I hope it teaches me how to airbrush. And then there's a color wheel, how to mix colors to get the colors that you want. And you know what? That's about it. Just sharing what I got. This Christmas I really got nothing, so no big deal. I got something 2 years ago, and I'm still running with it. Appreciate y'all watching, and have a good one.